Hello everyone. Today's topic is the nervous system. The nervous system is made from the nervous cells, that is neurons. Neurons are the structural and functional unit of the nervous system. The nervous cells or neurons transmit the signals from body parts to the nervous system or nervous system to the body parts or the nervous system do many involuntary and voluntary control or movement of the body. The neurons is the structural and basic structural and functional unit of the nervous system. The neurons mainly classified as unipolar, bipolar, multipolar, or pseudopolar neurons. In human being, multipolar neurons is present. The structure of neuron consists of cell body, dendrites, axon, axon or nerve end terminals. The dendrites are the hair-like structures which are present outside the cell body. Cell body is the main part in which nucleus is present. Also, nucleoplasm is present in the cell body. Next one is axon. Axon is the middle part of the neuron, which is covered by myelin sheath. The axon which is covered by myelin sheath is called as myelinated neurons, and the axon which is not covered by myelin sheath is called as non-myelinated neurons. The non-myelinated neurons are gray in color, or the myelin sheath is white in color. So the nerve end terminus is the last part of the neurons, which attach to the next dendrites of the next neuron, or transmit the impulses from one neuron. The connection of nerve end terminals of one neuron and attachment to the dendrites of the second neuron, next neuron. The nervous system is mainly classified into two types. First one is central nervous system, and second one is peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system. Central nervous system also classified in two types: brain and spinal cord. And peripheral nervous system classified into somatic nervous system and autonomous nervous system. Uh, the first one is central nervous system. The central nervous system is classified as brain and spinal cord. First one is brain. The brain is the main part. The weight of the brain is about 1,200 gram in human being, or in male, or 1,000 to 1,100 in females. So the brain consists of diencephalon, cerebellum, pons varolii, medulla oblongata, or brainstem. These are thalamus, epithalamus, hypothalamus. These are all the parts of the nervous system. The nervous cell or neurons does not consist of uh, centrioles, due to which the cell division is not occurring in nervous cell. First of all, the thalamus, the epithalamus is the part of brain in which the body activities which are under the control or voluntary is controlled by epithalamus. The thalamus is the largest part of the diencephalon, which is 80%. That is 80% part is thalamus. Next one is hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is the part of nervous system or brain which uh, controls the master gland, that is pituitary gland, and the secretion of hormones which is synthesized or released from the pituitary gland is under the control of hypothalamus. Next one is cerebrum. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. It is called as largest brain, which is the two hemispheres of the cerebrum are connected to each other by uh, there are two parts of cerebrum, that is left cerebral hemisphere and right cerebral hemisphere. The cerebrum maintains the outer part of the cerebrum is called as cerebral cortex, and inner part of the cerebrum is called as cerebral medulla. The cerebral cortex consists of structures that is called as villi or fissures, which helps in the increasing surface area. Cerebrum provides the brain consists of 12 pairs of cranial nerves, uh, in which in which first, second, seventh, first, second, fourth, first, second, sixth, 11 and 12 are the sensory neurons, nerve cells, or uh, second, third, seventh, ninth, and 10th are the motor nerves, and the remaining are the motor nerves. The sensory nerves transfer the impulses from uh, body parts or muscles to the brain, and the motor neurons transmit the impulses from brain to the body parts, and the motor neurons helps in act as a intermediate which carries impulses from body parts to the nervous system or nervous system to the body parts. Next one is cerebellum. Cerebellum is the smallest. Cerebellum is the smallest bone, smallest part of the brain, which is also called as small brain, which maintain the equilibrium of the body. Uh, Next one is brainstem. Brainstem also consists of corpus quadrigemina, or the brain consists of frontal brain also consists of four ventricles, that is lateral ventricle, third ventricle, or fourth ventricles. Uh, brain consists of four lobes, that is four types of lobe, that is frontal lobe, occipital lobe, parietal lobe, and temporal lobe. Occipital lobes helps in the auditory part, auditory action. Next one is spinal cord. Spinal cord consists of 31 pairs of nerve cells, that is 8 cervical, 12 thoracic, 5 lumbar, 5 sacral, and 1 coccyx. These are the 31 pairs of spinal nerves present in the spinal cord. The last part of the brain comes and from the spinal cord. The spinal cord is covered by uh, me- the meninges, that is the subdural. The brain is covered by, or sinus is covered by dura mater, arachnoid matter, and pia matter. These are the layers of these are the layers of sinus. In it, the dura mater is the outer part of the meninges. Next one is arachnoid. Arachnoid matter is the middle layer, or pia matter is the inner layer of the meninges. The the fluid present between the space present between pia matter and arachnoid matter is called as subarachnoid space, which is filled by CSF. Or the space between dura matter and arachnoid matter is called as subdural space, which is filled by serous fluid. The cavity present in the sinus is called as cranial cavity, in which the fluid, that is CSF, is present, which provides nutrition to the sinus, and also which provide nutrition and gives prevent from the shock. These are the this is the function of CSF, which is present in the CNS. The fluid present in CNS is called as cerebrospinal fluid. Uh, the next one is peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system consists of somatic nervous system and automatic nervous system, in which somatic nervous system under control, that is called as voluntary, and autonomic nervous system is called as involuntary nervous system, because it is involuntary in control. Somatic nervous system helps in the movement of body parts. The breathing, heartbeat, blood pressure is comes under autonomic nervous system. Autonomic nervous system also classified as adrenergic nervous system and cholinergic nervous system. Adrenergic nervous system also called as sympathetic nervous system. Cholinergic system, parasympathetic nervous system also called as uh, parasympathetic nervous system also called as cholinergic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system, in which acetylcholine, adrenaline, noradrenaline, dopamine, these are the neurotransmitter releases. And in parasympathetic nervous or in a cholinergic nervous system, acetylcholine is maximum act as a neurotransmitter. Adrenaline nervous system, or adrenergic nervous system, is also called as fight and flight nervous system, and cholinergic nervous system is also called as relax and rest nervous system. The adrenergic nervous system consists of catecholamines, which adrenergic nervous system helps in dilation of the blood vessels, or increasing the force of contraction. These are the function of adrenergic or regulate the blood pressure. Relaxation of or helps in bronchodilation. That is treatment of asthma is carried out by adrenergic nervous system, and cholinergic nervous system helps in uh, cholinergic nervous system helps in vasoconstriction, that is increasing in blood pressure or decreasing heart rate, decreasing force of contraction, or increase the contraction of urinary tract. These are the functions of cholinergic nervous system. So the Alzheimer disease, Parkinson disease are the diseases of nervous system. which are treated by a specific treatment, which are diagnosed by MRI, CT scan, or the symptoms are decrease, decrease fatigue, decrease in neurotransmitters. Due to a decrease in neurotransmitter, that is dopamine, is their disease is called as Alzheimer disease. So thank you.